Hello everybody, my name is Mason. Welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I will explain to you guys what sort of content you can come to expect out of my channel, as well as introduce you to the main project of this channel, at least for the time being. As far as content goes, you can expect content of me working on my own cars, mainly my 1967 Chevrolet Impala, which would be the main project of this channel, at least for the time being. Let's take a quick look. So here you can see the frame of the car. Now this has been taken all the way apart. And you can see the mountains of parts just all along this side. I do have all of the original parts. This car was complete when I got it. Currently, the frame is taken apart and is ready to go out for sandblasting and powder coating. Once I get it back from that, it will be ready to put back together with brand new suspension, steering, and brake components. The rear end housing itself will also be getting sandblasted and powder coated, as well as these control arms, the stabilizer bar, paint hard bar. Over here we can see the body of the car and a little makeshift dolly that I have built for it. It is a 4-door sedan, meaning it has a frame around the windows up here. Over here is the original engine out of the car. It is the Chevrolet 250 inline 6. It will be going back in the car. Here is the transmission. It is the 2-speed powerglide automatic. I'm going to be breaking this project down into 4 main phases. Phase 1 will be the rolling chassis, and that includes the frame itself, as well as the steering components, the suspension components, the rear end, the fuel lines, the brake lines, everything that goes on the actual frame of the car itself. Phase 2 will be the bodywork. Now that includes metal repair, rust repair, paint, bodywork, all that sort of stuff. Phase 3 will be the driveline, including the original engine and the original transmission, which are both going to be rebuilt and put back into the car. Phase 4 will be the interior, and that includes door panels, carpets, seats, dash, all that sort of stuff will all be covered in Phase 4. After that, the project should be done, theoretically. And you might have noticed that I'm starting this video series off with the car itself being already disassembled. And while quite a lot of effort did go into disassembling an entire car, ultimately no real work has been done on the car. I think I did a couple of basic things when I first got it, like spark plug and oil change, but I haven't done any real work on the car just yet. I would like to be as instructional as I can be, in the hopes that some of you may learn a thing or two from me. With that being said, I did just replace 2 front body mounts on the frame, so here is the footage of that. So let me know what you guys think. If you like the content and want to see more of it, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. It really helps out the channel. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.